Let's solve this step by step. We need to find what 1/8 raised to the third power equals. When we cube a fraction, we multiply it by itself 3 times. So 1/8 cubed means we multiply 1/8 times 1/8 times 1/8. Let's break this down into 2 parts. First, let's look at what happens to the numerator. 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1. Then in the denominator, we multiply 8 times 8 times 8. Let's see how we get 512 in the denominator. First, 8 times 8 is 64. Then 64 times 8 equals 512. So when we put this all together, 1/8 cubed equals 1 over 512. Let's visualize this with a number line to see just how small this fraction is. To put this in perspective, 1 over 512 is an extremely small number, less than 0.002. This shows how quickly fractions can become very small when we raise them to powers. So remember, when we cube a fraction, we cube both the numerator and denominator separately. In this case, 1 cubed over 8 cubed gave us 1 over 512.